back to my channel. That sounds weird to say. Today I'm going to be doing this sunset eye look. It's just going to be a tutorial on doing the eye look. I'm not going to bother about my base, like I'll do that all off camera. So if you want to see how I created this, then please keep on watching. So in today's video, I'm going to be using the iconic James Charles times Morphe palette. It is beautiful. I waited up all night to get this. Look at that. He is an inspiration to everybody. And it says, unleash your inner artist, which I'm going to do right now. So I've just gone and set my base off camera because it's boring watching people do the same thing 542 times in a row. So I did it off camera to save you all sitting there being bored to death. So the first color I'm going to be going in with is this bright yellow shade called B. And I'm just going to be packing that all over the crease, like above the crease, to just kind of start off the little sunset shading. Okay, so that's all above the crease there. I've just put it all along, all across, because I do want it to eventually come down into the middle and like go across there, but we'll get to that later. So next I'm going to be going in with this shade right here, which is called 518, and I'm just going to be putting that underneath the yellow, just above the crease there. And I'm just going to be putting that in with the, you know what, I still can't see it. Hello? Hello? I give up. It's the M441 brush, and I'm just going to be blending all through there. As you can tell, I've been using this a lot because it's got shit all over it. I should probably clean it. Squish! Squish is my dog. He's fluffy. Maybe one day you'll see him. Okay, so after using that color, I'm just going to go below because I'm kind of getting like the like a sunset. So next to 518, I am using this color, which is called Rusted. I've got all the names up here because like I took the little thingy out, so I have no idea what they're called. So I'm just going to be taking that on, I think, another 441 brush. It doesn't actually say on this one, so I'm just going to be going all through there, making it look sensational. Jake's in the background like, what?
Love you.
Love you too.
You're beautiful.
So next, directly in the crease, I'm going to be putting this very beautifully pigmented red called You're Kidding. And it's going to look, hopefully, presentable to the public. So I'm just going to be taking like the yellow and the two oranges that I've used and just kind of going over the top to blend it all out again. So I will just quickly do that, and I won't bore you with me talking through it because you know what I'm doing. I'm just blending. So I'm just going to be going in the inner, outer every time, the outer corner, and I'm just going to be putting the purple shade, which is Love That, which I do love that because it's absolutely stunning. And I'm just going to be putting that through the outer V with my M506 brush. And then again, just like cleaning up everything. Yeah. Okay, so now I'm just going to be cutting the crease, and then we'll just go from there. So then what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be going back in with the neon yellow shade, and I'm going to be putting it right in the inner corner, and then I'm going to kind of blend towards the purple. So we're kind of getting the same effect that's going down but across. You feel? I don't know. I'm just gonna be using this little weed brush to like pack it in there. So. These are so pigmented. Best palette I've ever bought in my life. It's just like that, all in there. So then next I'm going to be packing the orange in, and it kind of just... You're getting the gist? I hope so. Because you're probably sick of me talking already. And it's been like a 5-minute video. Okay, so now I'm just going to put some eyeliner on, and then I'm going to clean it up so it doesn't look like I am a 6-year-old who just got a whole thing and just went BANG! And came out with this. So for eyeliner, which probably won't turn out amazing because I've already warned you that I suck, I am using Hype Sharp Wing by Maybelline. I like Maybelline products. They're good. So I've just gone in with some concealer and I've cleaned it up a little bit so it doesn't look like a dragged down mess. Looked half snatched, as some people would like to call it. What am I doing? I don't know. So for mascara, I'm gonna just be using the Bad Girl Bang by Benefit. I really want to try roller lash as well. I had to think for a second. I was like, are they both the same person? And then I remember Jeffree Star talking about how he had to do like both commercials, and they're, yeah. I'm just gonna be using that, and I'm gonna be coating my lashes, preparing them for fake lashes. Oh. Oh. I wasn't meant to do that. I was just meant to go like, meh, but I'm retarded and I got it everywhere. I'm gonna be applying my manky little lash that I used last time. Actually, no, I used it last time, but I had different glue on it. This is the new glue. Strip. This is too difficult to do on camera. I'm just going to do it off camera. So I just did my other eye and my face kind of quickly off camera because it would be boring. And it would turn into another 27-minute video like my first one, which was probably too long for a first video, so I didn't want it to be completely long. But also it was just kind of a little short eye tutorial on how I did this look. So hopefully it turns out as well as I planned. It kind of looks like it has. But I will be doing a couple of videos on like different eye looks, maybe one on how I do my base, you know, full faces. Just a bit of a mixture of everything, you know, how I contour, what I use to contour. I'll do some challenges, I'll do all different sort of stuff. But today it was mainly just about doing this eye look and creating it for you guys. And if you want to recreate it, feel free to follow my really blunt, short tips that I'm so great at giving. I don't know why I keep doing that. It's fun.
Beautiful.
Jake's sitting in the background, like I've had to film this like 3 times, like this exact section, and he's just sitting over there like.
Princess, you're beautiful.
I could be in one of those commercials. I just look like I have a tick. So guys, this completes today's
I love you.
I told him to stop talking. This completes today's makeup look. I hope you enjoyed it. If you do like my content, then please subscribe to my channel. It would mean a lot. Stop! I'm not even gonna cut this. Like, this is just gonna be in the video. I don't even care. If you did like today's video, then please give it a big thumbs up. And I will be posting once a week. Possibly, most likely. Chances are very high. I've lost my train of thought. Thanks, Jake. Anyway, this concludes the video. The video is ending right here, and I will see you next week. So yeah, if you want to tune in next week, feel free.